Alright, today we got another awesome mod to do on the GR Corolla on the engine bay. So, nothing performance, nothing like that. This is purely aesthetics. So, this is from RACER X. I do want to thank RACER X for sending these out. If you guys are interested to pick up a set, check the links down below. But these are Fender Shrouds for the sides over here. So, I decided to go with black. They do have these in red as well, but I went with black just to keep it a little bit more subtle. I didn't want the red to pop out and just, I don't know, I didn't like the red so much on these, especially with the blue. Red and blue to me, I don't think go as good together as, say, red and black or red on red or red and white. So I decided to go with the black ones. So these are a nice aluminum powder coated black. And they replace this cheap piece of plastic here with these nice RACER X shrouds right here. So pretty much they're just going to replace right there. And then there's one on the other side, as well as some nice fancy hardware, which has some red accents, which actually do look pretty good. So let's dive into this and see what we need to do. First, we got to clean out all this stuff. I swear this car is like a magnet for leaves. Alright, so I honestly have no clue how these are attached. I'm going to assume this is some type of clip. So let me figure out how to take this off. So first thing we're going to do is there is a cap here. I just took a pry tool, got this off, and it looks like honestly, I have no idea how this other one is on here. Alright, so I finally got this off. I swear Toyota designed this to where it's not supposed to come off. If it wasn't for Jim's Garage Toys, I don't think I would have ever figured out how to take this clip out unless I destroyed it. But I pretty much went underneath with one of these pry tools, as well as went in with a pick in these holes here. And then what you want to do is try to squeeze these sides in, and once you squeeze in one just enough, you should be able to pry it up and then get this out of here. And then that's for this clip. And then on the back side there's another clip right here where you got to squeeze it, and there's a hole right here. So you can either try to come in through this way and push on that clip from here, or what I did was just pry this up just a little bit because there's quite a bit of wiggle room on here. And I went in with a plastic pry tool and I just kind of shoved it in there and to squeeze that while prying up on this, and then it released. So not the easiest to get out, but definitely not the hardest either. Now we can see pretty much where this is going to line up. So you have a bolt here and a bolt here. This bolt, I guess, is attaching the fender to the actual body, and then the other one's going to just be a hole right there. Let me clean this off first, and then we'll figure out how to put this on. Alright, so RACER X gives you some fresh new hardware. So it does look like you're going to need an Allen key. Let me go figure out what size I need. Alright, so I found the Allen key. You're going to need this size right here. It fits perfectly. But this is actually a 5/32. So and it does look like we're also going to have to remove this 10mm right here as well. So this one is going to be pretty simple because there's already a threaded hole. I'm just going to get that one loosely in there. Then the other one, you're going to need a washer, a screw, and one of these machine collars. And they're all going to go on the bottom. And this already looks really good. Just having the name right there, the wrinkled black powder coat matches pretty close to the actual like OEM plastic piece. So, but it is a little bit nicer having nicer hardware here. The only thing that I don't like is when you remove this bolt, you are exposing some of the metal underneath it because it's not painted anymore. But that might be something I'll buy a touch-up pen and just touch up, let it dry, so that way there is still a painted surface here. But the fitment is perfect on this, so I mean, it matches the bend on the car really good. Fitment around the headlight, everything is pretty nice. So let's hop on the other side and get that one knocked out. Alright, so I just got both of these installed and they look really good. So definitely, once you figure out how to get those clips out, it makes removing this part so much easier. So, but these things came out really good. A nice way to dressing up your engine bay. But if you guys are interested in what the red ones look like, check out Jim's Garage Toys. He did an install on these with the red ones. He has a black GR Corolla, so I think the red on the black look a little better. I stuck with the normal black ones just because I wanted to keep things a little bit more subtle on this engine bay. With all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.